This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Rotation. The dot rotation sprite property. Okay, so we're still on properties. That makes sense. Rotates an image by between 0 and 360. 360 being a complete circle. The image is rotated clockwise. Okay, so this way, right? For example, rotate mysprite.rotate equals 90 will turn it 1/4 rotation to the right. Okay, do this. Add dot rotation blocks to the code to make all the cars look like they are traveling correctly down the roads. Well, hopefully we're all in the United States, because this could be a bit different otherwise. Alright, so that car is going the correct way. What about our friend Mr. Blue Car? Oh, and this is how they've labeled them. Interesting. Car left. Okay, so car on the left here. Well, it's facing northish. Let's see. Let's look for rotation. It should be in sprites because it's a sprite property. Yep, sprite.rotation. And I'm going to drop it here. Now, it automatically gives me an equal sign, so that's nice. Keep in mind, I don't have a sprite. I have a car left. I have a car top. I can't just use sprite. That doesn't make any sense. So I have a car left. That's my variable name, and that's what I want to rotate. And they're saying that we can use 0 to 360. Let's try 45 to start. Okay, so that is this car, but do we want it 45? Nope. We need a right angle. So I think 90. Boom. All right. Now this car is going the wrong way, isn't it? It's going north when it's in the southbound lane. So car bottom, I'm assuming, is this one. And again, I'm going to drag out car rotation, right? The dot rotation property. We don't have a sprite. We have car bottom. So car bottom. And then what's its rotation? Well, how do you flip something 180 degrees around? And I said it. You got to flip it 180 degrees. All right, that's looking good as well. And our last one here, what angle is this? Well, I actually did it earlier. It's not quite 90. So what, car right. Let me, again, grab out a rotation. And it's not quite 90, car right, because if I do 90, watch what happens. So that's too far. So let's cut it in half and try 45. Quabam. And they're all lining up. Yay! Onward.